Welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be polishing a BF SR car. The first thing I did is wash the car, hose the car down and wash it with this Nanolicious wash. It does an awesome job. You just put a cap full and then rinse the cap out and put it back in. It's $20 at Super Cheap. Awesome product, highly recommended. The other thing I was using once I've cleaned the car, chamoised it, then I'm using the Auto Glim polish. That brings it up a treat and it's easy on, easy off. Basically, there is another product that you can put on top of that. It's in a gold logo by Auto Glim as well, and that will kind of protect the polish. So you can do that. That's a little bit more expensive. This is about $37. So let's have a look at the video. Okay, so today we're going to polish this this car. So we're going to use the Nanolicious car wash from Super Cheap, and you can see all the dirt, all the dirt on it. The sides are okay, they're pretty good. You can see just down the roof. On the back it's dirty, it's starting to oxidize a bit. The angle a bit better. So this is a BA SR. So you can see just there. So unfortunately I didn't get any video footage of the job afterwards, but this is just a video just to show you like a typical Ford Falcon, the condition that it's going to be in. It's going to be to your surprise if you buy these two products and you wash the car and you polish it. Polish is really easy, you're going to love it. Wish I did have some video footage of it, but look, you know, surprise surprise, you're going to get very surprised if you buy these two products and you polish your car. So I hope you enjoy the video and thanks for watching.